Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to publish an app from Google AI Studio. This is a fantastic way to share your AI-powered creations with others or deploy them for public use. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to a studio.google.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with your AI Studio projects, as this will ensure you have access to all your existing work and settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the left panel of the interface. Here you'll see several options for navigating through AI Studio. Click on Build. This section is where all your app creation and management takes place, and it's the hub for everything related to developing your AI applications. Now you'll want to select or open your existing app project from the Apps section. If you've been working on multiple projects, make sure you choose the correct one that you intend to publish. This step is crucial because you need to have a working app ready before you can share it with the world. Once your project is open, look for the field labeled Describe Your Idea. In this field, type something like Create a Simple App as an example, then click Build. This action initiates the AI generation process, where Google AI Studio will begin constructing or refining your application based on the parameters you've set. You'll need to wait for a few minutes while the AI does its work. During this time, the platform is processing your request and generating the necessary components for your app. It's important to be patient here and avoid clicking away or interrupting the process, as this could cause errors or incomplete builds. Once the AI has finished generating your app, you might see a prompt asking for permissions. If this happens, click Allow. This step ensures that your app has the necessary permissions to function properly and be shared with others. It's a standard security measure that Google implements to protect both you and your users. Now comes the exciting part. In the upper right corner of the screen, locate and click the Share App button. This is where you'll control how your app is distributed and who can access it. The button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find when you're ready to publish. After clicking Share App, you'll see an option to toggle on Publish Your App. Go ahead and switch this toggle to the On position. This action makes your app publicly accessible and generates a shareable link that you can distribute to others. By publishing, you're essentially making your creation live and available for anyone with the link to use. Finally, if you want to share the link elsewhere or save it for later, click Copy to copy the provided link. This link can then be pasted into emails, messaging apps, social media, or anywhere else you want to direct people to your newly published app. Having this link makes distribution incredibly simple and convenient. And that's it. You've successfully published your app from Google AI Studio and can now share it with the world. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.